Hi guys, welcome back. This is 2000 Gaming again. I'm really excited. The meta waifu Nayuta is gonna be here. Um, I'm really excited to pull for her. So hopefully, I'm not gonna be using the golden ticket. Like we'll see if I can pull for Liberio. If I cannot pull for Liberio, then we will pull for her using the ticket. But like right now, we're just gonna pull Nayuta for the regular recruit. Okay. So let's go here. So currently, right now, there is a choice of you to be able to pull for the character of your choice. Okay, the rerun of the three characters here, but I suggest you go for Red Hood if you really want to pull for her. Okay, so I'm not gonna be pulling for Red Hood. We'll pull for Nayuta here, and we will be seeing Nayuta how she looks like here. Really, really nice, really good asset. Look at this. She looks badass. She looks badass, man. She looks badass. Pilgrim Pioneer Burst 2. So I'm so excited for her to be into my team. So she's really, and then the skins. The skin is really OP as well. So if you want the skin, it's all up to you. But like here we are. We're just gonna be summoning for her. I'm really excited. Let's just do it. Hopefully I'll just do it in one tap and that's done. Hopefully. Hopefully one tap we're done. Oh, nope. Maybe 7 pulls. Usually I do 7 pulls and then I get the character. The worst pull that I got was like 13 pulls. That was on the Evangelion collaboration. So that's the second one. Third one, gold. Fake out, no? Again, it's a bit difficult to pull because it's 1%. Okay, it's not the regular, it's a pilgrim banner. So you might get shafted. If you don't have gems, then don't go for this one. Better get use the golden ticket. So as you can see, I have 100,000 gems. So I can do it, but like I'm not gonna be MLB 3 her. I'm just gonna get one of her, one copy of her, and I'm done. That's what I usually do. Just get a copy, and then like I'm playing for the long haul, so I'm not really, I'm not really antsy. Just getting one would be I'm happy enough. So this would be my fifth pull. Oh my god, there's still none. Oh my g, what's going on? Sixth pull, sixth pull. I'm bending like I'm leaning forward to the laptop now. Six pull, still nothing? What? Oh my god. Come on. Give me my. Oh, I'm gonna be using now the 7 pull. Now I'm gonna be using my resources. Maybe it's not gonna be gold. 7 pull, gold. See? Told you guys. 7 pull usually. That's what my account usually does. I've been seeing 7 pull. Oh, double! Double na Yuta. Double na Yuta. If it's double na Yuta, I might MLB 3 her. Double na Yuta. Double na Yuta. Nayut na. Nayut na. If you're from the Philippines, you know, like there's a play of words. Nayuta. Ah, fake out. Yikes. Another one. Pilgrim. Oh my gosh. Oh, two fake outs, bro. Let's see up until 10 pulls. That's a 7 pull. How much? The worst thing that I could get was like 13 pulls. So that's the 8 pull. 9 pull. I might use my ticket, bro. Oh, 9 pull, no. 10 pull. 10 pull. I'm just gonna use the ticket. It's too much. Too much risk. Too much risk. It's too much risk, man. It's too much risk. Comment down below how many pulls did you get her, man. Like, I'm just gonna use. That's why I like about Nikkei Gods of Victory. If you're having a hard time, you can use that shop. You can go to the shop. If you have tickets, golden tickets, you can use that to exchange characters. And I'm gonna do that. I don't wanna waste. So I have 1,000 here. So I'm just gonna get her. I don't wanna waste anymore. I'm happy enough. So it is what it is. That's it. So 10 pulls, no Nayuta. Again, it's a 1% Pilgrim banner. She looks really badass here. I'll still be getting her, that's for sure. So comment down below. Were you successful on your 10 pull? I would like to hear from you. Did you do 20 pulls? How many MLBs? Did you MLB 3 her? Did you MLB 7 her? I would like to hear from you guys down in the comment section down below. Unfortunately, I don't have that luck with Nayuta. Like, this would be the worst one. This would be the worst one that I have. The last one would be the Evangelion collaboration with the 13 pulls. This one 10 pulls without the Pilgrim. But it is what it is. So again, comment down below. Did you pull for Nayuta? I would like to hear from you guys. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Bye-bye.